Did you know that the drinks you choose before bedtime could make a significant difference in your kidney health? Stick around to discover the top 11 bedtime beverages that can help repair and rejuvenate your kidneys. Our kidneys play a crucial role in filtering waste and excess fluids from our bodies, regulating blood pressure, and producing hormones essential for red blood cell production. Unfortunately, factors like poor diet, dehydration, and certain medical conditions can strain these vital organs. However, incorporating specific beverages into your nightly routine might support kidney function and enhance overall renal health. Let's dive into the top 11 bedtime drinks that can help repair your kidneys. Kidney health can be compromised by various factors, leading to conditions like kidney stones, infections, and chronic kidney disease. To mitigate these risks, maintaining good hydration and a healthy diet is essential. But did you know that certain drinks consumed before bed can offer additional benefits for your kidneys? Let's explore the top 11 bedtime drinks that can help repair your kidneys. 1. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is a powerhouse of vitamins and antioxidants. One key compound in cranberries is proanthocyanidins, PACs, which prevent bacteria, especially E. coli, from sticking to the bladder walls. This action helps prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, which, if left untreated, can lead to kidney infections. According to a study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, regular consumption of cranberry juice significantly reduces UTIs, thereby protecting the kidneys from infection-related damage. Another study in the Journal of Urology found that daily cranberry juice intake reduced UTI risk in women with a history of infection. The recommended dose is about 1 cup, 240 milliliters, of diluted cranberry juice per day. Be cautious with cranberry juice as it is tart and acidic. Excessive consumption can irritate the stomach or exacerbate heartburn. Also, it can interact with blood thinners like warfarin, so consult your doctor if you take medications. Number 2. Lemon water. Lemon water is a refreshing drink that aids hydration and contains citric acid, which may help prevent kidney stones. Citric acid binds to calcium in urine, reducing the likelihood of stone formation. A small study in the Journal of Urology found that lemonade increased urine citrate levels, which might help prevent calcium stones. Staying hydrated is crucial for kidney health as it helps them filter waste efficiently. The Mayo Clinic recommends drinking enough fluids so that your urine is pale yellow and you urinate every 2 to 4 hours. There's no specific recommended amount of lemon water, but drinking a glass, 240 milliliters, of diluted lemon water daily is generally safe. Number 3. Herbal teas. Herbal teas, unlike black or green tea, are usually caffeine-free, making them less likely to cause dehydration. Proper hydration is essential for kidney function as it helps them filter waste from the blood more efficiently. A study in the American Journal of Physiology found that adequate hydration increased renal blood flow and glomerular filtration rate, GFR, both crucial for kidney function. Dandelion tea. Dandelion leaves are natural diuretics, increasing urine output and helping flush out toxins. However, more research is needed to confirm its effectiveness specifically for kidney health. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus contains compounds that might help lower blood pressure, a risk factor for kidney disease. A meta-analysis in the Journal of Hypertension found that hibiscus consumption moderately reduced blood pressure. Number 4. Turmeric milk. Turmeric milk, a golden beverage made with turmeric and milk, may support kidney health due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, known for reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, both common in kidney damage. Studies show that curcumin can improve kidney function. One study in the Journal of Renal Nutrition found that curcumin reduced markers of inflammation and oxidative stress in patients with chronic kidney disease, CKD. The typical dose is 1 cup, 240 milliliters, of turmeric milk before bed, containing half to 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Adding black pepper enhances curcumin absorption. While generally safe, high doses of turmeric can cause gastrointestinal issues and interact with medications like blood thinners and diabetes drugs. Number 5. Tart cherry juice. Tart cherry juice is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Consuming it at bedtime may reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys, crucial for maintaining kidney function. Tart cherries contain anthocyanins and flavonoids, which protect against oxidative damage. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that tart cherry juice significantly reduced markers of inflammation and oxidative stress. Another study in Nutrients highlighted that these antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, promoting kidney health. The recommended dose is 8 to 12 ounces, 240 to 360 milliliters, per day. Drinking it at bedtime maximizes its benefits as the body repairs during sleep. However, tart cherry juice can be acidic and cause stomach upset or diarrhea and contains natural sugars, which can be a concern for those monitoring their sugar intake. Number 6. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, consumed at bedtime might help detoxify the kidneys and promote urinary tract health. ACV contains acetic acid with antibacterial properties that can reduce UTI risk, protecting the kidneys from recurrent infections. ACV's antioxidant properties also reduce oxidative stress, contributing to kidney damage prevention. A study in the Journal of Clinical and Diagnostic Research suggests that ACV can help dissolve kidney stones. The typical dose is 1 to 2 tablespoons, 15 to 30 milliliters, diluted in a large glass of water daily. Drinking this mixture before bed can aid kidney function overnight. ACV is highly acidic, so proper dilution is essential to prevent stomach discomfort or esophageal irritation. Excessive intake can lower potassium levels and bone density. Number 7. Watermelon juice. Watermelon juice benefits kidneys due to its high water content and diuretic properties. Over 90% water, watermelon helps flush out toxins and promotes urine flow, reducing the risk of kidney stones. It contains antioxidants like lycopene and vitamin C, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys. A study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that lycopene protects against kidney damage. The recommended dose is 1 to 2 cups, 240 to 480 milliliters, per day. Drinking it at bedtime ensures hydration overnight, aiding detoxification and preventing stone formation. Number 8. Beet juice. Beet juice, rich in antioxidants and detoxifying properties, supports kidney health. Beets contain betaine, which reduces inflammation and protects against oxidative stress. A study in the Journal of Clinical and Experimental Nephrology found that beet juice improves renal function by enhancing detoxification processes. Betaine supports kidney health by protecting against toxins and improving metabolic function. The recommended dose is 1 cup, 240 milliliters, per day. Drinking beet juice at bedtime maximizes its detoxifying effects during the body's repair processes at night. Be aware that beet juice can turn urine pink and might worsen kidney stones in some individuals, so moderate consumption and medical advice are recommended. Number 9. Coconut water. Coconut water is hydrating and nutrient-rich, containing electrolytes like potassium, magnesium, and calcium, essential for fluid balance and kidney function. Proper hydration helps flush out toxins and prevent kidney stones. A study in the West Indian Medical Journal indicates that coconut water can help dissolve kidney stones. Its high potassium content prevents mineral crystallization that forms stones. The recommended dose is 1 to 2 cups, 240 to 480 milliliters, per day. Drinking it at bedtime ensures hydration overnight, aiding detoxification and preventing dehydration, which can strain the kidneys. Number 10. Ginger tea. Ginger tea, with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, supports kidney health. Compounds like gingerol reduce inflammation and protect against oxidative stress. Research in the Journal of Renal Nutrition suggests ginger lowers blood sugar and improves lipid profiles, reducing kidney strain. A study in the International Journal of Preventive Medicine found ginger significantly reduced inflammation and oxidative stress markers. The recommended dose is 1 to 2 cups, 240 to 480 milliliters, per day. Drinking it at bedtime maximizes its effects during the body's repair processes. Excessive ginger intake can cause side effects like heartburn, diarrhea, and stomach discomfort and, in rare cases, arrhythmias or interference with blood-thinning medications. Number 11. Carrot juice. Carrot juice, high in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, supports kidney health. Rich in beta-carotene, an antioxidant, it reduces oxidative stress that can damage kidney cells. Carrots also provide vitamins A, C, and K, and potassium, essential for kidney function. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance and flush out excess sodium, reducing kidney strain. Research in the Journal of Renal Nutrition suggests antioxidants in carrots improve kidney function and slow chronic kidney disease progression. The recommended dose is 1 cup, 240 milliliters, per day. Drinking it at bedtime supports kidneys overnight during the body's repair processes. Fresh carrots can be juiced using a blender or juicer and consumed plain or with other beneficial ingredients like ginger or lemon. Overconsumption can lead to carotenemia, high blood sugar, and gastrointestinal issues. Incorporating these beverages into your nightly routine can significantly benefit your kidney health. Each drink offers unique properties that support hydration, reduce inflammation, and prevent conditions that could harm your kidneys. By choosing the right drinks before bed, you can give your kidneys the support they need to function optimally. Whether it's cranberry juice, lemon water, herbal teas, or any other beverage from our list, these drinks can help repair and maintain healthy kidneys. If you found this video helpful, smash that subscribe button for more health tips and information. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your favorite bedtime drink for kidney health. Until next time, stay healthy.